Welcome to day 4. We're finally past the sea days and we're arriving in St. Kitts and Nevis this morning. Actually, we might already be there by now. It's hard to tell when this is your balcony. Anyway, when I was younger, my parents would always go to Nevis on vacation and not take me. I was very fortunate in that my parents took me pretty much everywhere, but they didn't take me there. And so I've wanted to go to Nevis for like my whole life. And I've been to St. Kitts a few times on cruises, but never took the ferry over to Nevis. And today I'm doing just that. So time for coffee. And the most exciting thing about excursions, time to go sit in the main theater and wait forever for absolutely no reason. Let's go.
I've been here before, familiar with the view. This ain't nothing new. And every time that you walk through the door, I'm hit by the same old tide, blinded by the lights. And I'm going through changes, but it's easier with you. I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me. I know you've got secrets, but I can't keep on. And we're fading in and out together. The view's wide open, stuck in the moment. The view's wide open, stuck in the moment. The view's wide open, stuck in the moment. When I'm with you, I am not myself. You bring out the best in me, the side only you can see. And I don't need any other help than you standing by my side, if only for a while. I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me. I know you've got secrets, but I can't keep on. And we're fading in and out together. The view's wide open, stuck in the moment. The view's wide open, stuck in the moment. The view's wide open, stuck in the
So I cut my hand getting my tripod ready, and I'm about to go in saltwater. That should be fun. I think I sacrifice for YouTube. Actually, didn't really hurt. We just finished our lunch, which was actually very good. And they sold a bucket of beer for only $10, which is sitting up on my lounger right now. And there's supposed to be a great place to go snorkeling, which Jim is right here is going to, and that's those rocks over there. But I'm just kind of hanging out in the water, doing some videos, getting ready to go back and drink my beer, hang out for the afternoon. Got 3 hours, no, 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours here. Yeah, this island's amazing. So 3 years ago, that right there was Pat and I on the sailboat. Too much work. Way too much work.
Beneath the endless skies, they wander side by side. Third orbit travelers on a cosmic tide, guided by the northern lights, they chart the unknown sea. In the dance of destiny, they move with graceful ease. Voices of the universe, call them on their way through the veils of mystery. When night meets the day, embracing every moment in the silence of the stars. Together they discover the world beyond the bar. Beneath the endless skies, they wander side by side. Third orbit travelers on a cosmic tide, guided by the northern lights, they chart the unknown sea. In the dance of destiny, they move with graceful ease.
Well, we just got back from Nevis, and yeah, what a great excursion. I haven't had such a good excursion in a long time. The staff was fantastic. There was no downtime sitting around. We had a boat ride over to Nevis from St. Kitts. We had a tour of the major places in Nevis, and then we had lunch, and it was good food. And then we sat on a beach for 2 hours with umbrella, ice cream, beer. Yeah, we're finally back on Icon, and hopefully doesn't look that windy out. Maybe we'll be able to do Crown's Edge. That would be nice since we paid for it. Anyway, got an hour to kill, then we're off.
Over meadows, inside sprung grass, lungs breathing in the darkness. Love down low, scattered in the gravel. Vapor escapes us in thin air. Find the strength in my shortcomings. Lies don't say. Come on, walls
what a fantastic island. The people were very friendly. The island was clean. There was lots of stuff to do, and the island itself was gorgeous. Next video, we're going to be in St. Thomas, and it'll be right here when it's posted. If it's not there yet, I'll put something else from Icon there instead. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.